Welcome to the section 4, where we will produce graphs directly from Python and understand how visualization works. Graphs are essential in data science, as they present data visually and allow the reader to catch an information usually much more quickly than in any other way. For this purpose, we will use a Python library called matplotlib. Matplotlib was created to generate graphs from a Python program. Over the years, matplotlib has become a powerful library able to generate many kinds of graphics in lots of different formats. In this video, we will display our first graph very easily in order to represent the distribution of a variable. First of all, let's import matplotlib. We usually do it this way. Then, let's display a bar plot. We could imagine a variable giving the relationship status of numerous people. You might remember that for such a qualitative variable, the distribution is obtained by counting the occurrences of the different categories. Let's consider these three categories: wife, husband, and unmarried. We give them the bar method, along with the number of occurrences of each category, which are 3 numbers. To display a graph, we then need to call the method plt.show. It's quite easy, isn't it? So now, if we want to display the distribution of the variable relationship over a data frame, we first need to get the distribution by calling the method valueCount. The result is a series object. The name of the categories are given in its index, and we get its values by writing distribution.values. From these two information, we can display the bar plot. We are almost done, but please remember this point. Never forget to add a title to every single graph you create. Otherwise, the reader won't understand what you are displaying. That's it. You are able to display the distribution of a qualitative variable. This kind of graph is also suitable for quantitative variable if the number of different values is not too big. But to display quantitative variable whose values are on a continuous scale, such as the age, there might be too many different values, and we need to use another kind of graph.